All right, our next cranberry cocktail comes to us from 1920s Long Island, Tennessee, or 1972 Long Island, New York. And this is gonna be a spin on the Long Island iced tea, but with cranberry instead of cola. It's called a Long Beach iced tea. But its roots go to, it's basically just a spin on a Long Island iced tea. Long Island iced tea goes back to 1920-ish, 28 to 29, somewhere in there. A guy named Charles Bishop, where he took gin, rum, tequila, vodka, and whiskey, sweetened it with a little bit of maple syrup, and called that his Long Beach iced tea. Then in 1972, Richard Butt was a bartender at the Ocean Beach Inn in Long Island, New York. I believe that's the name of the hotel. Don't quote me on that. Google it if I'm wrong. But he was entering a cocktail contest and decided to mix all the whites he had in as well. Vodka, gin, tequila, and rum. Threw a little bit of triple sec in it, a little sour mix. Bam! Long Island iced tea after it's topped with a little cola. So this recipe eliminates the cola and incorporates the cranberry juice instead. Perfect summertime cocktail, poolside. It's boozy. It's boozy. So hear me now. It's boozy. They'll sneak up on you. They'll sneak up on you like a ninja. And if you're not careful, you're gonna be in trouble because you're gonna be drinking 2 and 3, 4 of these at a time. So just make sure you're not going anywhere. And if you have any friends over, make sure they're not going anywhere if you're serving these Long Beach iced teas. In your small tin, we're gonna be putting a whole lot of stuff in there. We're gonna start off with 3/4 ounce of gin. Then we're gonna go 3/4 ounce of vodka. Three-quarter ounce of rum. And 3/4 ounce of tequila. Next, we're gonna do 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice. And I've done a video on oleo citrate with lime. With lemon, you can do the same thing. I'm just trying to get the right ratio before I put it out there. Next, we're gonna do some orange liqueur. We're gonna go with 3/4 ounce of this. This is my 0 carb orange liqueur. Again, I'll have a link to this video at the end of the video, so stick around and watch all of it. It also helps my YouTube algorithm if you do that, so thanks. Simple syrup. Allulose simple syrup. And this is where I want to thank my sponsors, RXSugar, Sugar Reimagined. This is by far the best brand of allulose I've came across. Many times, you've heard me say in some of my other videos, the packaging's amazing. It's cheaper per ounce than other alluloses on the market. It mixes better than some of the other alluloses I've used. So the RXSugar, thank you for sponsoring this video. And there'll be a link below in the description where you can pick up some RXSugar with a little bit of a discount for yourself. It is an affiliate link, so thank you guys for helping me out. I'm gonna help you out as well. And get yourselves a nice sized glass. Fill that with some ice. And strain that over that fresh ice. And you wanna leave enough room for about 4 ounces of cranberry juice. Again, using Ocean Spray's Diet Cranberry. 4 ounces is gonna be 1 gram of carbs. So with the lemon juice, 1 ounce of lemon juice and 4 ounces of Ocean Spray Diet Cranberry, you'd have 3 grams of carbs. Give this a quick little stir. Now you could shake the cranberry in there with it. The recipes always say top it with it, so that's what I'm gonna do. Honestly, I do like to shake it, but I'm gonna try to follow the recipes as best I can from how they were originally created, but personally, I do like this shaken. I'm gonna garnish that with a lime wedge. And there you have the Long Beach iced tea, one of my wife's favorite. Man, it's so well balanced that you don't really taste the booze so much. I get the cranberry juice, lemon juice, a little bit of simple syrup as a sweetener. The gin, I get a very minor touch of juniper, not much at all. The vodka, the tequila, and again, the tequila, if you don't like tequila, you really don't taste it in here. You know there's a little bit of booze, but don't realize it's 3.5 ounces of booze, actually 3.7, almost 4 ounces of booze in it. It doesn't taste like it. Like I said, perfect outside for the summertime. I find that a lot of cranberry juice cocktails are very refreshing. Perfect for when you're outside on a patio with your friends or your family and you want something that's just refreshing, crisp, and clean. Cranberry juice cocktails are some of the best things you can find. And if you like the type of videos I'm putting out, make sure you subscribe. Click the bell icon because it'll tell you every time I put a new video out. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, all the things YouTubers tell you to do. And it'll help me out with the YouTube algorithm. All right, guys. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great day because I don't know how I can with the Long Beach iced tea. See y'all later.